How to enable or disable notifications in the Bigo Live app. So first, go ahead and open settings on your Android phone. After a few moments, your screen should look something like this. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps. Then go ahead and tap on the first option. Then tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. Then you'll again see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in Bigo Live. Then scroll down until you see an option called notifications, which is right below other permissions. After tapping on notifications, you will see an option called show notifications, and from here you can enable or disable notifications for your Bigo Live app. And this is it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.